Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom. I am Manny Lasso Cabrera, running 35 years old. I have two kids, son, all boys. Their age is 5 and 9 years old. I'm not married. I'm a single. I have a living partner.
Okay.
I am a high school graduate. I have two brothers and four sisters. I'm the youngest of my family.
Okay, can you please tell me about your working experience?
My work experience here in the Philippines, I serve one couple, 4 years old. I do all household chores like cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing, and taking care of the kids.
Okay, are you willing to take care a newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
What if the baby is crying? What will you do?
If the baby is crying, first I will check the temperature and also the diaper, and I will change it, and also sing a song and feed a milk.
Okay, do you know how to shower, baby?
Yes, Mom.
What do you need to do first?
First, Mom, I prepare a lukewarm water, towel, and soap.
And what do you need to take care?
You need to take care of your eyes and nose and ears.
Not to spell with the water, right?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, what if the baby or the children is very naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
First, Mom, I encourage them to play and also to read a patient. Well, count 1, 2, 3, and have a great patient.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your kids?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to support my needs of my children, and that the
Who will take care of your kids?
my living partner.
Okay, in Hong Kong, what will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, first I check the temperature, and also I put on the head. I will put on the head, cold paper on the head, and I will tell the parents to go to hospital and for checkup.
How about if you have homesick, what will you do?
If I am homesick, I will focus my work in Hong Kong. I will treat my employer as my own family.
Okay, could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom. The wheel on the bus go round, 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 round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, go round.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, Mom.
Do you have dogs and cats in your home?
No, Mom. No, Mom, but I have a dog. I'm not afraid of a dog.
Okay, any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, Mom.
What food can you cook?
Chinese, I cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to cook a Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, Mom.
Can you accept take care elder person and assist all their needs?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, Mom.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong
Yes,
Kong?
Mom.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, Mom.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, Mom.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as a helper. I am a honest, hardworking, cheerful. I am willing to follow the instruction of my employer, and also I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mom.